Welcome to another WD Sentinel S-Series training. Today we're going to cover an advanced topic on how to add and manage other servers. As you recall, the S-Series of ultra-compact storage plus server completes a portfolio of affordable small and medium business solutions. We're starting to build up a nice library of introductory and how-to videos. New to our portfolio is the S-Series webinar that we conducted in November. And we also have this video on how to add and manage servers. In YouTube, just type WD Sentinel S-Series to find all these videos. Though this is an advanced topic, it's easier than doing what I'm showing in the picture here. We're going to break it into two steps. First, we'll show how to join other servers to the domain. And second, we'll show how you can manage those servers from Server Manager. Let's set some context. As a business, everything's a workstation. In order to manage people and resources, you have to have a domain server that sets the identity on the network, and you can have an application server that runs all your line of business applications, and if you need more storage, you could use a NAS. The WD Sentinel DS5100 and 6100 was meant to be a converged server playing three roles in one. We do this by combining the Intel Xeon dual-core, quad-core platform with the WD storage and Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2 Essentials. As the business grows, you might say, I need more storage. You may add a WD Sentinel DX4000, for example, or you might add another application server. And so a lot of our customers have asked us, can I connect the WD Sentinel DX4000 to the WD Sentinel S-Series primary domain? The answer is absolutely. Alright, from our Windows 7 client, I'm using the remote desktop to get into the WD Sentinel DX4000. And the first thing we're going to do is point our network adapter DNS to our WD Sentinel DS5100. From server settings, select Join a Domain, enter the domain name of the DS5100, and log in using the admin account for the DS5100, your regular IT account. And you're also given the opportunity to import users from the Active Directory so they can be on this DX4000 as well. And this is a special feature with Windows Storage Server 2008 R2 Essentials. And there, the server will reboot and you'll be on the domain. After the server reboots, when you log in, you'll want to use the administrator password from the domain, the DS5100 or DS6100. And you can see now that the server has been joined to the new domain. Just as caution, every Windows server has their own way of adding themselves to the domain. Definitely check your TETnet articles for the version of Windows OS that you have. After joining the domain, the next question is, can I manage the WD Sentinel DX4000 from the WD Sentinel S-Series Server Manager? And the answer is absolutely. For Windows Storage Server 2008 R2 Essentials, we do have to install the Windows Management Framework and the .NET 4.5 redistributable. As you know, all Internet Explorers on Windows servers and Windows Storage servers are locked down. So we suggest you download from another PC and transfer either over the network share, or you can use a USB storage device, for example a WD My Passport. With Windows Server 2012 and 2012 R2 based platforms, you don't need to install anything, but for older servers, check your TETnet article. Here with Windows Storage Server 2008 R2 Essentials, we're installing .NET and then a WMF platform. Now all this prep work is so that you can manage all your servers from the WD Sentinel DS5100 or DS6100. Here we're launching Server Manager, and we can show all the servers that we're managing with this one unit, primary unit. And you can see it's an Exchange server. If you go back to the dashboard, let's go ahead and add our new server. We type in the WD storage, which is the name of our DX4000, and we let the system set up the manageability through the Windows Management Framework. From there, you have a single pane of management. Administrators can do things like remote desktop into the other servers, restart the servers, and not shown here is you can actually enable the manageability metrics, and you can see your on time and off time. So again, a great single pane of management for your IT administrator. In our next how-to, we're going to cover how to transition your DS5100 or 6100 from Essentials to Standard, and a follow-on video to show how to integrate with Office 365. Video surveillance was already covered on the X series, so please do look on YouTube for that. Join us for another exciting WD Sentinel how-to.